Happy New Year! Today I'm going to show you how to make these fun New Year's Eve party poppers. They're so fun and so easy. All you do is you take an empty toilet paper roll and take a balloon, and then what we're going to do is cut the balloon so that it will fit onto the end of the toilet paper roll. So I don't know if you can see probably about this far down, just so it's wide enough to fit onto your balloon, onto your toilet paper roll. And then you're gonna stretch your balloon. And this is where you need strong fingers. Mom and Dad might need to help with this. And then you're gonna squeeze it onto your toilet paper roll just like that. See? And then decorate it, or you can decorate it first, like Grayson did. And then fill it with some fun stuff, glitter or pieces of paper or whatever you want that's fun inside. And then all you do is pull it and pop it.